Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me for yet another video. So, good news, there has been certain updates on the AIP website about their new processing time. So I have seen people who are applying for AIP PNP are very curious about how are the current numbers looking. So this is where I try to show them and compare how the queue is moving. So there are a number of queues within AIP, as all of us are aware, which are basically the streams and substreams of AIP. And I make an effort to kind of break it down for you guys and to show you how the numbers are moving, right? So yep, kind of nerdy, but I like doing this. I hope you guys like seeing this kind of video. So do let me know in the comments what uh, works for you, what doesn't work for you. Okay, so I have got a comment from my video that I should keep my videos shorter. I should not keep it longer enough. So if that is a problem, you can always watch it at 2x speed. But yes, from now on, you will see shorter videos from me. Okay. Before going to the shorter video, I have to go through very quickly through the housekeeping thing. So if you need to take screenshots, please take screenshots of joining my channel and accessing member perks and the WhatsApp channels. Okay, so that's it. I am done with my housekeeping here, and now I am going to take you through the AIP processing time and inventory. So this is the page that is out there, and AIP has announced its numbers as on 18th of March. Till now, 2024 allocations and numbers are not yet confirmed. So this table below, as usual, is not very useful for us, and we don't usually concentrate on this particular table in this kind of discussions. What we do concentrate, however, is the numbers here, the numbers on the various queues that all of us are interested in. So let's see how the numbers are looking. So Alberta Opportunity Stream. This is a stream which is a very popular stream and currently on pause. So as expected, the queue has went down because there are no new applications. So the queue has gone down by 225, and the processing time has increased. So as of last time, the processing was 18th of September. Now it's 27th of September. So an improvement of 9 days. So for any of you who have applied on or before 27 September, your application should have been picked and under process. Okay. Next is the Alberta Express Entry Stream, all pathways. Alberta doesn't break down the application by substreams, but even though we see that the current queue is 958, this was 871 in our last update on 12th of February. So in a month, it has kind of increased by 87. It has increased by 87. Dedicated healthcare pathway and priority sector, the numbers are same. The date is same. The processing time is same. There has been no changes reported on these two streams, the dedicated healthcare pathway and priority sector. Alberta Tech Pathway, however, the processing time has now, as I can see, has increased by 1 month. And the date has increased by 13 days. So as of last video, they were processing application from 18th of October. Now they are processing from 31st of October. So in last a month or so, it has only increased by 13 days. So accelerated tech pathway seems to take more time as of now, as of this report. Okay. Next is family connection and occupation in demand. The date has increased by 8 days. So there is a marginal increase in the 8 days. So as far as the Alberta Express Entry stream is concerned, apart from dedicated healthcare pathway, all of the streams applications are still in 2023. So there has been some announcements on dedicated healthcare pathway. They have done a draw on dedicated healthcare pathway on 2nd of March. So that I will show it here. So sorry, on 5th of March, there has been a draw for dedicated healthcare pathway where 34 NOIs were sent and the score was 303. So very close to the cutoff of 300, but 34. And I have prepared another video on dedicated healthcare pathway where I have said that dedicated healthcare pathway will have more traction this year, does look to have more traction this year. Also because Alberta has some kind of a priority on the healthcare sector for this year. So yeah, so that was the Alberta Express Entry stream. I would say pretty much similar. Like the only one bad news is tech pathway date has increased by a month. Apart from that, there has been improvements, even though marginal, there have been improvement. Okay. Let's come to the rural renewal stream. The last queue was 1602, now it's 1643. So queue has increased by 41, which means there have been more applications, and processing day has come forward to 19th of October. So again, in the last 30 days or so, processing has increased by 17 days, although the processing time remains same. Rural renewal stream processing time is still 6 months. So that remains same. The last but not the least, tourism and hospitality stream. This stream was introduced, got filled in one day. There has been no new applications as of today. Last time application volume was 400. It is 368, which means the queue has decreased by 32 in last 30 days or so. And the processing time and the date remains same. It's still at March 1st, 2024. So this is the update I wanted to share with you guys. Apart from this, I have not seen any other update apart from this and the draw that happened on the dedicated healthcare pathway. Let's quickly see if there is any kind of updates on the news side for Alberta. Sorry, not here. Let's see if there is any kind of updates. No, like there has been no new updates posted here. Okay, so that's it. So this is what I wanted to cover in this particular video. If you have any questions for me, reach out to me. This was a short video. Yeah, this was a shorter video. Reach out to me and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much.